Hey everyone, we are Ken and Sarah, and we love to travel. But since the pandemic started, like most people, we have not been able to travel like we normally would. We've been at home working on our camper van conversion, so hopefully soon we will be able to travel. But after 1 month of being at home, we decided we would pack up the car and head to Ashland, Ohio to stay in a treehouse at the Mohicans. Staying in a treehouse again for a night.
Skylight in the bedroom.
We're not gonna have to. Oh, there's a lot.
Coming flower deliveries.
How many flowers get stuck?
For you, they stop right there.
True, they stopped right for me.
Little grill in action.
A little grill in action. Show them who cooks in this relationship.
It's me. But I'm cooking veggie burgers for you.
That's right.
Fire started too.
Oh, nice. That's my guy.
Man of the woods.
Man of the woods in our treehouse. Tarzan right here. You don't know this, but he swings on vines too.
Treehouse Masters. They named that show after me.
Well, I've killed the fire for the second time.
There's no fire.
Yeah, I messed it up again. Well, it just went out, but. Do you have the lighter? I can try and relight it.
Throw some lighter fluid.
Okay, I'll give it a go. So the first rule of trying to build a fire is if you have long hair, tuck it in to your coat or put it up before you mess with the fire because that could be a problem. So far, so good. Ugh. There we go. Burger. Veggie burger. I'm trying to fix my fire for the third time. Kind of got it together.
For any surprise.
No, he was veggie.
Ain't my first rodeo.
A nice morning view. I got some cereal I brought from home. And a nice little cup of tea. And a very nice view. So I really, really like this little treehouse. It's super cute, really well laid out. But this morning, we think there was a bird, and it kept tapping, tip, 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 on the window since like 5:30 or 6:30, and I couldn't go back to sleep. And we didn't turn on any heaters, so it got a little chilly. There was like 3 heaters here, and we didn't turn any on. So if we were staying here another night, we probably could have been a little smarter about that. But also, there's a skylight in our room, and this window here doesn't have a curtain, and it was so bright by like 7 o'clock. So needless to say, we were up pretty early today. But overall, we loved staying here. Leave a comment letting us know if you would stay here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.